Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by creating a server script in Server Script Service and requiring Datastore service immediately. This keeps keys secure. Name your Datastore with a clear namespace because consistent names avoid collisions. Once done, enable Studio API services so your calls behave like a live game. You will write basic getAsync and setAsync calls next. Start with a single test key and predictable value so failures are easier to isolate. Keep server-only logic on the server to prevent exploitation. Now implement robust read and write functions using pcall around getAsync and setAsync so runtime errors don't crash your flow. Use exponential backoff and a limited retry loop for transient failures. This prevents rate limits from breaking saves. Validate and sanitize values before writing, and serialize complex tables with HTTP service, JSON and code where necessary. Once you have retries and validation, add versioning or timestamps to keys to handle concurrency. Finally, test heavy concurrent saves in Studio with multiple clients simulated. Finish by wiring your save function to player removing and periodic autosave timers so progress is not lost. Make sure to detect conflicting writes, check timestamps or use optimistic concurrency patterns and retry when necessary. If errors occur, log structured context, key, player ID, attempt count, and error message. This helps diagnose patterns. If nothing saves, confirm API services are enabled and inspect pcall error text. Often the fix is increasing backoff or correcting the key namespace. Recover corrupted data from backups when required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.